So today, record setting.
Not only record setting, none of us were alive the last time we had a 90-degree day.
Are you sure?
I am positive. I will show you the reason why in just a second. None of us.
That's amazing. I'm just stunned, speechless. Yeah. I guess the ocean's rising too.
Yeah, we'll get to all that. Don't know about that. We'll check what's going on. Hey, how about record warmth potential tomorrow morning? The record warm low temperature is 66. We should be in the upper 60s as we get the day started. Now, if we have a thunderstorm that comes by the airport, we might get down to 66 tomorrow evening. That's a maybe, but this one's likely going to go into the record books. By the middle of the day, we're in the 80s. It's a muggy day again, and by the latter part of the afternoon, there are going to be a couple of thunderstorms around with highs in the upper 80s. I know you're all just waiting with excitement. What's going on here? What's the history we're talking about? We had some today, big time. Rest of the week, we're on the tropical side of summer. We had the heat without the rain over the weekend. Now we're going to have the heat, humidity, and thunderstorms around for the balance of the week. But even when we have fronts come into the area through the 8-day, it's a summer pattern. Our cool-offs are not going to be dramatic. Our cool-offs are still above normal, which we can show you here. Today, there's your 90-degree day today. Upper 80s tomorrow. The record high for tomorrow is 89, so we're in the ballpark. Low 80s Wednesday, more clouds. That's going to be rain-cooled, cloud-cooled air as we look toward Thursday and Friday. And then we start warming right back up again over the weekend. So, the history. First 90-degree day of the season today. Broke the old record high for today of 88 from 1962. But this was our earliest 90-degree day since 1952. 66 years since we have had a 90-degree day this early. And the other ones on the list, actually, that should be 1925. We're actually going way back in history for that one. So medieval man saw a 90-degree day. 1944, 1942, 1951, 49, and 44 were the ones previous. So again, some pretty amazing stuff going on here. Even now, it's still humid outside. We're talking our dew point temperature, which is, again, the amount of moisture that's in the air. 65 and up, it's considered muggy. Most of us are hovering right around that number. It's one of the reasons why it just won't get cold tonight. You're talking right now, temperatures running mid-70s just about everywhere, including the 76 in Lexington, 77 in Richmond and Mount Sterling, 73 in Danville, light south wind, and that amazing range of temperatures. Max Track Live Doppler, we've got a little ground clutter tonight. Bow Echo, boy, that was a nasty one. Went through parts of Virginia, down through the Tidewater, headed off into the Atlantic. New thunderstorms have been blossoming out here to our west, as close as the Wabash Valley, going to the far western part of Kentucky. Big thunderstorms across parts of Kansas, Missouri, up into Illinois tonight as well. It's all part of what's been a very active storm track all weekend, but it's all been well to the north. That high pressure, it's a strong ridge in the atmosphere. It's been taking everything up and over the top. That ridge, though, is weakening partially because of a potential tropical low down here in the Gulf. Regardless of that future, it's producing a lot of much-needed rain in Florida, but it's also weakening the ridge, which is going to allow that low to pass by and then drag a cold front southward. As it gets closer to us, starting tomorrow, our chance for rain increases. As the front gets in here on Wednesday and puts the brakes on, that's when your thunderstorm chances really begin to increase. For tonight, partly cloudy, very warm again, record warm, low temperature possible. We'll be in the upper 60s. Tomorrow, partly sunny, hazy, hot, and humid. Late day thunderstorm chance, we're in the upper 80s. We continue with a lot of thunderstorms off and on through the week. They're not all-day rains, but a lot more clouds lower the temperatures Friday. We start drying things out again as we head toward the weekend.
So in the meantime, getting a little cooler. Thank you, Bill.